Hello, friends and families. I welcome you all to my segment today. This is your host, Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture and tradition. Culture and tradition stand for the way of life of a people or a tribe. Okay, let's go on. The other time we met, we talked about some similarities we share with two towns or rather two cities. One, no, it's not just a city. Israel is not a city, it's a country. You know, many people say we Igbos, we are Israelites, or rather we are Jews. A lot of people see Igbos as the Jews. And well, I don't know. But one thing I said the other time we met here is that wherever anybody finds himself, let a person be rest assured that he is from there. The issue of tracing where anybody came from shouldn't be a problem. The most important thing is our cohabitation. You know, that's what really matters. So, as history puts it, there are towns you find in Igbo land. You also find them in Kogi State, Eda to be precise, a town in Eda called Igala. Then in Igala, there are towns you hear their names. When you go to Enugu State, Nsukka to be precise, Opi Nsukka and some other towns that surround Nsukka, you will hear those names as well. You know, those names might sound a bit not being, Igbo towns, but they are really Igbo towns. But their resistance or where they immigrated from is something that I wouldn't want to talk about. So you hear Onoja in some parts of Opi in Nsukka. Then you hear Onoja also in Igala. You hear Onegu in Enugu State, in Nsukka. You hear such a name also in Igala. You hear what is it called? Ogwedo, Omi. These are towns. You hear this when you go to Nsukka. Some parts of Nsukka, you see such names, see towns that bear such names. When you go to Igala, that's in Kogi State, in Eda Kogi State, you hear towns. You even see them. You see their signposts that bear the same names as those in Igbo, Opi, Nsukka in Enugu State. So then you can see, I didn't tell you the other time, there are some chieftaincy titles that are honored or bestowed upon the Igbos, especially those ones that have common boundaries, share common boundaries with the Kogi State. They're known as Nsukka and their environs. Such names, such chieftaincy titles, you also hear them in Igbo land. So this is another big similarity or something the Igbos share in common with the Igalas. Then I told you about festivals, what we honor, what we uphold. The Israelites also oppose them. So Israelites also hold them in esteem, like giving names, the way we respect the dead, we honor the dead, farmlands, they were not breaking the boundaries, New Year festivals and all that. So I mentioned about them the first time we met on this topic. Then that's just it. Wherever you are is where you come from, especially if you've been there over 10 years. That's your town. Forget about wherever you come from. Nobody will kind of quit you from there. Nobody will evacuate you from there. You are there. You have become part and parcel of that town. That's just it. Let's forget about where anybody or any town migrated from. Now, today we're going to talk about the Igbo alphabets, which is popularly known as Mkpụrụ-edemede Igbo. Don't worry, I'll be writing them out when I'm going to the system to kind of do some work there, which will help you to understand the Igbo, their language, and their way of life, which is popularly known as their culture and traditions. So let's begin. I have written down the alphabets, the Igbo alphabets, which I said is called Mkpụrụ-edemede Igbo. Igbo alphabet is called Mkpụrụ-edemede Igbo. Then, before then, we'll talk about, after today, we'll talk about like the consonants, the diphthongs, the vowel sounds you hear in Igbo, just as you hear them in English, they are also applicable in Igbo alphabets. So let's begin. Time is running very fast. Now, I have a piece of paper here, which I would like you to take a closer look at. This piece of paper contains the Igbo alphabets. Don't worry, I'm still going to put them, in the system so that when they finally appear, when this episode finally appears on the screen, you will be able to see these words more clearly than you do now. Then we have this one here. We have is called A, B. You can see this A has small letter. We all understand. I did not tell you when small letters are used when you want to write anything. Now, this is A. This is B. This is Ch. This is D. This is A. This is F. This is G. B. R. G. H. I. A. G. K. B. Q. L. M. N. Ng. You see this N or this N has indicator mark here, which differentiates it from this one here. This is called N, while this one is called Ng. I will tell you when you're using Ng instead of this. Then when next we meet anyways. This is Ng. This is Ny. This is O. This is O. This is P. This is R. This is C. This is Sh. This is T. This is U. O. V. W. Y. Z. Now, when next we meet, I will form a song we will use so that by the time you master the song, you'll be able to now know how to write these alphabets down yourself without any external assistance. So this is called Igbo alphabet. If you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So you should know. These ones that come in pairs, each of them is counted as one. Any one you see here that is combo of two letters, it is pronounced as one. So bear that in mind. When we meet, by then I would have been able to form a song that you will use, just as I said a few seconds ago, that we used to know. By the time you master the song, you'll be able to write this on your own without anybody assisting you. All right. Igbo language, like every other language, is very simple. All it needs is just dedication. You have to really dedicate yourself. You have to really tell yourself, this very thing, I want to learn it. So most times people find languages very, difficult, But the people that own the language, when they speak it, own those languages, when they speak them, they sound so fluent. If you calm down and listen very well, learn, you'll be able to understand them. Although they usually say you can't make more money than the British in England. So, but if you really take care, really exercise caution, dedicate your time to it, that very thing is, no matter the upheaval it looks, you'll be able to deal with it. No mountain is too high to climb. Okay, in Igbo alphabets, we have what is called, the diphthongs, we have vowels, we have consonants, just as we do in English alphabets. So when next we meet, among those words that form the Igbo alphabets, there are ones that are called the consonants, the vowels, the diphthongs. So by the time we meet, I'll be able to tell you which of them is this and which is which. Then tell you how each of them is used when you want to make a sentence, how they appear in a sentence, and you know what they mean there. Okay. All I need is your close attention. Okay. Each time you see my video, I would like you to go there, watch them. And I believe after watching them, you should be able to subscribe, because it's something that is good. Invites people. Sometimes there are no adverts for credible things. When you go there, you say to tell your brother, you tell your sister, go there, something nice is there. That's just how good things work. Okay, it's nice being with you today. And I hope we're still going to have a more wonderful day by the time we meet here again. Okay, that's all for now, folks. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.